Welcome to SoFlo Custom Parts. In this tutorial, we will show you to install the SoFlo Grumper. Let's start with the tools. You will need 18, 7, and 8 mm sockets to remove the screws and pins. You will also need a pick and hook tool to remove plastic and pins from your stock bumper. Flashlight, some extension, and power tool. First step, disconnecting the fog lights and the stock bumper. Next, you will need to remove plastic pins with hook. Using a 5 mm socket, we will need to remove screws from under the bumper. Again, using the hook to remove plastic pins, but this time from underneath. Total of 8 plastic pins. Now you can remove the bottom part of the bumper. Using your power tool, you will need to remove the screws from the bottom part of your bumper. Now you can remove this part. Now, you will need to remove 8 screws behind of the bumper using power tool. You can now remove your stock bumper by grabbing onto the hook part of your bumper. That was easy. Now we unbox the SoFlo Grumper. First step is to install the LED cube lights onto the bumper, so we can later connect it to the fog light control. Make sure to hand tighten the cube lights. Next step is to remove the grille on your Jeep. You will need to remove plastic pins first. total of 6 plastic pins. Now we can remove the grill by grabbing onto the bottom right and left part of the grill and pulling it out. That was easy. Now we need to unscrew the screws from Grumper. Make sure you have an extra person for this part. To install, make sure you install the D-ring bracket and make sure the screws are tight. Now grab your power tool and tighten the Grumper. You now have a badass looking SoFlo Jeep with the SoFlo Grumper.